for?
Under receiving fan.
What?
Under receiving fan.
Got it. Let's go. Check out this K3G450-PA31-03-F01, an energy saving fan from ebm-papst that's perfect for the air handling unit's ventilation system with an amazing energy saving rate of 69.3%. Let me show you the parameters. Voltage is 400 volts. The frequency is 50 to 16 Hz. The power is 4,415 watts. The speed can reach 2,480 RPM. Whether you require high air volume, pressure, or multiple control options, these ebm-papst fans satisfy your needs. We have a sufficient stock available. More models, more information, please contact us. We are based in Henry,